Josh with Wohler Equipment here for a 1-minute walk around. Today we're looking at a used XR4140H, 40 horsepower, front wheel assist, hydrostatic transmission. Got extendable 3-point links, 2 sets of rear hydraulics, front and rear cab work lights, industrial tires, universal skid loader quick attach on the bucket. This has chain hooks welded to the bucket as well. This particular model is one we just traded in, has 195 hours on it. Suspension seat, hydraulic controls, radio, cab controls, HVAC. Be sure to like and subscribe for more 1-minute walkarounds.